The V6 in the engine is fascinating for something other than the crude numbers, however. For a certain something, it depends on the same 3.0-liter diesel found in Jaguar Land Rover items. That motor has comparable yield at 254 strength and 440 pound-feet of torque. The Power Stroke diesel group that dealt with the 6.7-liter diesel found in Super Duty F-Series trucks made a few adjustments to it, however. It has another variable geometry turbocharger, fuel infusion framework, interfacing pole and primary orientation, oil container, and a produced crankshaft. Another extraordinary component is the mechanical cooling fan. As indicated by a Ford delegate, this was done on the grounds that they couldn't get the electric fan to move enough air with the truck's standard 12-volt electrical framework when under outrageous burdens, for example, while towing an overwhelming burden up a review. Whenever asked, a delegate said that an electric fan may be adequate if the truck had a higher voltage electrical framework, for example, the 48-volt frameworks showing up in more new vehicles. The truck likewise doesn't have a fuse brake. The reason given was that the motor braking close by, full mode makes it superfluous. Ford will start taking requests for the new motor in January with conveyances occurring in the spring. The organization expects that around 5% of clients will settle on the diesel motor. Armada purchasers will have the capacity to get the diesel V6 on XL and XLT trim, while private proprietors should go for Lariat, King Ranch, or Platinum trim. Ford's agents clarified that it's keeping the motor to those higher trim levels since it is gone for proprietors who tow and regularly spend more on a truck than the individuals who don't tow much. The motor will be accessible and broadened in two-fold taxicab bodies with either a 6.5-foot bed on expanded taxi, or 5.5 or 6.5-foot beds as soon as possible taxi. To the extent estimating goes, contrasted and the least expensive Lariat with a 2.7-liter turbocharged V6, the diesel will cost an extra $4,000. On the King Ranch, the motor is a $3,000 premium over the base 5.0-liter normally suctioned V8.